Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to screen mirror YouTube from your iPhone to your smart TV. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, you should be to connect your iPhone and your smart TV at the same Wi-Fi. This is the first thing. The second thing, go to YouTube into your iPhone, and for example let's go to this video, and then guys tap this icon and go down, and here you will see the name of your smart TV. Tap on it and wait a moment until connect your iPhone to your television. Now as you can see, new device connected, and wait a moment, and as you can see here, we connected successfully screen mirroring from iPhone to your smart TV. And now guys, you can easily control your smart TV from your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone, and here guys you can control your and here guys you can easily control smart TV. For example, if we click here, go down and click here and tap allow, okay, and here you can easily control. For example, if you want to pause the video from iPhone, you can just tap on this button, and as you can see here, if you want to play again, tap this. Perfect. And here you can move for example, if you want to move video, just tap on it and you can move right or left. That's it. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and see you to the next video.